Hey, we have the Winnebago today, and we're gonna be redoing the insulation. There's probably a bunch of black mold, which is cool. I think, yeah. Shit. I messed up. Okay. Okay.
I love that.
We are working on the Winnebago Brave. We're going to be insulating the entire interior, at least trying to, within the next 2 days. In the next 2 days.
Huh? Like that's ever gonna happen. What a load.
That consists of taking down all the old stuff first, and that's going to be a process and probably has black mold. Great.
It's good stuff.
Yep, so we'll get to that and we'll see you then.
Well, we did more toms, which is more dance anyway. But...
Like 200 pounds.
1, 2, up.
You'll be holding yourself up.
1, 2,
more so.
up.
Maybe I should have done this.
Is he calling through?
Woo! You got it?
Yeah, there's something in the way. Hold on.
Yo, you're gonna have to go sideways.
Don't kick me. Turn. Turn. Woohoo! And we're in.
So I'm going to go ahead and add this metal bar, and I'm going to weld it to the original Winnebago frame so I can build a freaking deck on the roof. Okay, it's going to be sweet, but I definitely felt I needed some extra support there when I put the deck right here. But I need to choose a design and color, so please below and help me choose. Also, don't try this at home. I had transition classes for welding. Yeah. This board here that we're sliding in is called Luan, and it's used to sandwich the insulation and also give some rigidity.
Is that your pee?
I flushed it.
Yo, can we just pee anywhere in here then?
Right now, yeah. So what you're seeing me do here is replace the wood that goes in between the aluminum roof sheet and the metal framing of the Winnebago. It gives the roof something to hold on to. So this is how far we got this weekend. Now the corners and sides were so bad that I had to use aluminum adhesive tape around the whole perimeter of the Winnebago, and those black spots you see are a rubberized roof patch. After I got all the bad holes patched up, I went over the entire roof with a fibered aluminum paint coating, and it turned out pretty good, I must say. Now coming up is all about the interior, baby. We ripped all the old stuff out, and you'll be able to see my custom couch bed. Now, what on earth is a couch bed? You might not be wondering. It's a couch, but also a bed. The couch turns into a bed and then back into a couch.